Okay, I'm excited for this new map. Okay, let's look at this. Ooh, it's icky, bro. Looks like the freaking back rooms. Ooh, what the frick? What did Lemming do? Is this like OG caves or something? I'm pretty sure it is. Now we're going this way. Oh, it looks like we got some crystals over here. That's pretty cool, I guess. Ooh. It's like all blocky, bro. Okay, now we're gonna go check out the cosmetics. Okay, let's go. Get away from me, bro. Okay, we're gonna check out these cosmetics. Let's look at this. This kind of big enough for the old ones. Look at this. Like OG. We got this wrench. We got this. I'm hungry. We got like a girl tag balloon. We got like this. We got this. And I'm pretty sure that's the whole thing. I might buy some. I don't know. Who knows? Looks like we don't have any new bundles. Well, anyway, that was the video. You can be in a video. You can have a chance to be in a video if you subscribe. Okay? See ya! Oh yeah, and I forgot to say, we're gonna try to find someone with the rainy cosmetics. Okay, let's go. Anybody got the rainy cosmetics? Anybody got the rainy cosmetics?
Boy, you're not even
Ooh, what are you doing? Hi, bot. Anyway, anybody seen someone with the rainy cosmetics?
Hello. Nobody cares about you because you said a bad word to a child.
Oh my god, you got a rainy cosmetic. Anyway, see ya. Peace.